Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem, we are going to calculate the focal length of the convex mirror, that is f. In order to calculate this focal length, we use the mirror equation as 1 divided by f is equals to 1 divided by dr plus 1 divided by di. We call it equation number 1. Here this do is the object distance and di is the image distance with respect to the convex mirror. For plane mirror, we can write do is equals to minus di prime. Now the difference between the two image locations is given by the equation di minus di prime is equals to d, or it can be written as di is equals to d plus di prime. Now using this equation number 2, we can write this equation as di is equals to d minus do. Now inserting this value of di into equation number 1, we can write 1 divided by f is equals to 1 divided by do plus 1 divided by d minus do. Now inserting the values into this equation number 3, we can write 1 divided by f is equals to 1 divided by do, which is equals to 15.0 centimeter, plus 1 divided by 7.0 centimeter minus 15.0 centimeter. So this will give us the value for this f as f is equals to minus 17 centimeter. So this is the required answer.